It's something different about my drip. When I walk in, they always stare. I can see right through your acting, your intentions all so clear. Don't say a word, I just fall back and act like you were never here. What you heard, I get the bag, invested triple by next year. The way I flex, yeah.
I know you won't leave me hanging. Smoking weed out the container. Why you make it so complicated? Off the drain, we concentrated.
Hey loves, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me today. As you guys can tell by the title, in today's video I have another Shein try on haul for you guys. Today I have some new really cute items from like transitioning from winter into spring. It was my boyfriend's little sister's birthday when I originally picked out this package, so I did pick out a few items for her as like a little birthday gift. Here on YouTube she goes by Aaliyah Lynette, so be sure to go ahead and subscribe to her YouTube channel. I have it linked down below, and let her know that you want to see more videos from her because guys, she's hilarious. Like her channel's funny. She does like vlogs, everyday type of chill, more kind of vlog content, and she's hilarious. So be sure to go watch her videos. I have them linked down below. So she is going to be trying on her pieces today. As always, I will have everything that I share in today's video linked down below. I'll also try to leave the size references linked down below just because the items are different sizes. If you guys want us to do one of those try on hauls where we try on like the same exact items but in two different sizes so you guys can just see them on two different body types, let me know. She is a bit younger. She's only like 14, but we do have some styles that's similar, so I feel like we'd definitely be able to pick out some outfits that we both like. So if you guys want to see a video like that, definitely let me know in the comments down below and give this video a thumbs up. And if you guys want to see some more outfit inspiration, fashion content, beauty posts, and stay connected with me a little bit more, then be sure to follow me over on Instagram. I'll also have it linked down below. But without further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and jump on into this haul. I have this whole box of items to share with you guys, and it's mostly all clothes this time. I do have one pair of sunglasses, so yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get into it. So the first thing that Aaliyah picked out was this pair of shorts right here. They have like a white base and they're made out of like a sweatpant material, but they have this colorful all over print on it, as you guys can see. These are super cute. They do have pockets, and even though they're white, they're not see-through at all, and even though they're a sweatpant material, they're still not too heavy or hot. They're very wearable for spring and summer, and as you can see, they fit really nice and are super cute. The next item that Aaliyah picked out was this super cute white and black long sleeve. This is inspired by a brand. I'm not sure what brand it is, but if you guys do know the brand and are looking for a cheaper alternative, then Shein sells these tops. It is super stretchy and comfortable, and again, it's not too see-through, and as you guys can see, it's just super cute. The next thing that she picked out was this black hoodie right here. It just has a graphic on it, and I believe she did get this one in an extra large and the other items in a size large. It's super cute. This is on the more lightweight side. I feel like this is more lightweight than the shorts that she picked out. That's actually not a bad thing, especially since it's getting much warmer out. It makes it very wearable for spring and summer, and more of like just a hoodie that you can throw on if it's a little bit cold out. I'm gonna first show you guys the only non-clothing item that I got, which is this pair of sunglasses right here. I love that Shein now sends all of their sunglasses in a little case like this. I actually already had these glasses before. They look like this. They're super big, boxy, and square. They're like the don't talk to me, I'm not in the mood glasses. But yeah, like I said, I already had these glasses. I was super obsessed with them. I love them, and I don't know where they went. Like, I don't know if I lost them. I don't know if somebody took them. I don't know if I just left them somewhere. But I had to get me a new pair because summer and spring is coming up, and these are just essential. These are like my morning glasses. Another item that I already had, but it actually ended up ripping like right on the side under the arm. It's not a big hole, but I love this top so much that I wanted to pick it up again when I saw that it was still on Shein's website, because a lot of times Shein sells their clothes so quick and things just sell out. So if you see something that you like, definitely buy it if you can, because that happens a lot of the time. But I was so happy that they still had this in stock. It's not really gonna show up on camera, but you guys will see in the try on part. It is this cream colored long sleeve bustier kind of style top. It has little tiny buttons going down the front. It has like the elastic scrunched up poofed up sleeves. There is ruching in the back of the top, as you can see, which helps keep the shape and hold really nice and snug. And then there is a little invisible zipper on the side so you can get in and out. So again, I'm so happy to have that shirt again because it is so cute. The next top that I have is another kind of like vintage looking blouse. It is this black v-neck satin blouse, and again, it has like tiny little buttons down the center, and this part is actually completely lace under like the chest, and the back is plain and also has the lace on the bottom. It continues all around the top, and the satin part on this is not stretchy, but the lace does have like a slight little stretch to it. So again, it holds really nice and snug and is super flattering. Guys, I have noticed that even though I'm still wearing like black and white, I feel like my style is getting so much more girly, and I kind of like it. Like, I'm not mad about it. So let me know what you guys think down below. But don't worry, in the winter and when it gets cold again, I'm gonna get back to like my tomboy-esque vibe and looks, because it's just too cold for that in the winter. Like, first pair of bottoms that I have are these black high-waisted, super flared, plain black trousers. Nothing too special about them except for like the really nice wide fit. They are just a really nice, simple and classic pair of trousers. They do have functioning belt loops, the buttons, everything like that, and they do have 2 functioning pockets on the side. They have kind of like that pressed little pleated stripe down the center of each leg, and a nice like wide flowy trouser like this just always looks so good with like the tops that I just showed. Instantly look so dressed up, elegant, and ready to go basically anywhere. So a nice basic. I'm happy to have those, and they fit high-waisted really nice, which I was so happy about. The next top I have is kind of like a mixture of those first 2. It's another black satin kind of v-neck blouse, but this does come down a little bit longer, as you guys can see, and it's made out of the same material all throughout, so it doesn't have like that lace trim. Also, the sleeves on this are like a normal straight sleeve. They're not super flared out or ruched up or bouncy. They have a little bit of ruching at the shoulder. They do have these tiny black and gold nice metal buttons down the center. So again, it's just another super lightweight, really elegant and beautiful blouse that you can dress up or dress kind of more casual and just wear during the day during spring and summer. The next top that I have is a black long sleeve rib knit crop top. It has this slight little v-neck in the front, as you guys can see, and then it just says baby girl with these little diamond T rhinestones. This is so nice. It's made out of like a nice and thick material, like a rib knit. It's not see-through or anything, but it's still lightweight and pretty stretchy, so it's wearable for spring and transitioning from winter into spring, like I mentioned. It gives me like 90s old school vibes, so I'm here for it. It fits really flattering, super cute, super snug, and again, it's really stretchy, so it's comfortable when you're wearing it as well. I have another black cropped blouse. This one isn't made out of like a satin or stretchy material. It's made out of like a regular cotton material, but it does have like the elastic at the shoulders, and it has ruching in the back, so it is stretchy when you put it on, and then it fits pretty form-fitting and comfortable. But as you can see, it's kind of like this super ruched up bandeau kind of top, and then it has this extra strap. Again, another super cute just spring top that I can dress up and style in so many ways. Next, I have this black mock neck long sleeve rib knit top. This one is a more lightweight material, so that's what I meant with the baby girl top, how I said it's like a thicker rib knit, but it's still lightweight. It's definitely thicker than this. Like this, I would consider really lightweight. Like you guys can see through it if I stretch it. However, when I wear it, it's not see-through or anything. It's still really flattering. A super form-fitting long sleeve top, and then it just has this cutout right here in the chest, which is just super flattering because it's asymmetrical and it's like not really revealing anything. It's just like showing off your kind of chest area, but it just looks so elegant and kind of like edgy in a way, and it's just really flattering. So again, this is kind of like a basic but with a twist to it, so I love. Guys, remember when I said I was getting a little girly? Well, if you didn't think the items I showed now were girly, now I have some skirts for you guys, which usually I never ever pick out. The first one that I have is this kind of like Chanel inspired houndstooth tweed white and black little mini skirt. It does have an invisible zipper on the side. That's how you get in and out of it, and it's not like stretchy or anything. It's made out of like an actual tweed material. This is super good quality, by the way, and it has like the little clean edge and finish inside. I will say the only thing is, like, in my head I picture this being a little bit shorter, kind of giving like Clueless vibes, so I could style it like that. I will insert some pictures of how I actually did style this. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen it, and I kind of like pulled the skirt up a little bit for those pictures because I wanted it to be just a little bit shorter. I am 5'3", so maybe that's why. I feel like in the try on part you guys will see it's not super short. That also is a good thing, because if you're like 5'5", 5'8", this probably will still work on you and just be maybe a little bit shorter on you, and it still is really cute on me nonetheless. I just had a vision in my head, but I was still able to execute it because I just like pulled it up for the pictures. But it's a super good quality skirt, guys, and it is super, super, super cute. Next, I have something a little bit more casual. I have some joggers. They're just these black elastic waist joggers. They have the reflective little trim going down the front, and they have like a sweater material elastic at the hem. So they are like a jogger that actually comes in tight at the ankle. Unfortunately, these don't have pockets, and that's the only downfall with these for me. Besides that, these are super cute. They're kind of almost made out of like a windbreaker material, but they're not shiny. Like they're matte, kind of made out of like a windbreaker kind of athleisure material, which I really personally like. I feel like these are gonna be really cute for spring. And again, they're not too thick, like they're not see-through at all, but they're definitely a lighter weight material. So even though they're black, I will still be able to wear these for springtime. Next, I have another really different item. I have another skirt. It looks really kind of ugly and weird holding it up. It looks just like a trash bag, but I promise it looks cuter on. It's like a faux leather ruched up mini skirt. Again, this one fits a little more high-waisted. The only thing I will say that I wish is that the back of the skirt was ruched too. The back is just plain, like it has the darts and an invisible zipper, but I do feel like I'm still gonna wear this and just take some pictures from the front because honestly it looks bomb and super, super cute from the front. I just wish that the back looked like the same because then I would feel like it looks a little more stylish. But besides that, it's actually good quality. It's not see-through, it's not cheap looking, it's not that nasty smelling or feeling faux leather. It's a nice soft faux leather. It probably is coming up way more shiny on camera than it actually looks, but it actually looks good in person. I just wish that the back was ruched too. Okay, next I have a super cute pair of pants. They are these black and white, again, elastic waist, kind of like straight leg flowy pants. They do have functioning pockets, which we always love and appreciate. And as you guys can see, they have like this Asian inspired print all over them with like dragons and different symbols. And I'm not trying to be out here culture appropriating because I don't know what any of this means, but I always, you guys know, I love Asian style stuff. I love Asian prints. I have some vintage pieces that have some authentic Asian art on it. This is probably just some like imitation trying to make it look like this, but I still love it nonetheless. These are super, super cute. They're made out of like a satin material, but they do have a little bit of stretch to them. And again, they're a nice quality material. They're not see-through at all whatsoever, but they are still lightweight and very wearable for springtime. So I love, love, love these. Again, I've already worn these, washed them, dried it, and they still look great, fit great, and everything. So I'm so happy with those. Okay, the last thing that I picked up was actually a three-piece set, and this is so, so cute. Like, I cannot wait to wear this. I feel like it fits me the tiniest bit loose, but I'm still gonna wear this. Like, it is so cute. So it comes with like a little cami, a skirt, and then like a cardigan. The little cami crop top looks like this. It's kind of honestly just like a little bralette, as you guys can see. The whole thing is made out of like a sweater rib knit material, and that's what I'm obsessed with about it. It's just like a basic triangle bralette. It has a stretchy kind of band in the back because again, it's made out of like a rib knit material. It has these two straps or strings that hang all the way down, like super long, and I felt like that's what was different about this and just looks really cute and stylish. I do wear a 34B for reference, and this does fit me a little bit loose. Like, it's more so the band. It's a little bit loose on me being a 34. I feel like it's not as tight and snug as I need it to be, but again, like I said, it still is fine. Like, I can wear it and move around. It's just a little bit looser than I would have liked it to be. And then it just came with this gray, again, stretchy. It has an elastic band at the waist. Midi skirt made out of the same material. Again, super flattering. It's the slightest bit loose just on my waist, but I'm still gonna be wearing it. If you just kind of scrunch it up a little bit, it gives more of like a ruched effect, and I feel like it still looks really, really cute and you can't really tell. And then what sets it off is this little cardigan that it comes with. It just has little gray buttons, and it's just like a regular scoop neck, and then it has these tight sleeves with like a little flare at the end. And I really feel like these sleeves with the straps that hang down from the bralette part just make this look so stylish and so cute. This is gonna be a look, guys, I'm telling you right now. So that is everything that I had to share with you guys in today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to go show some love and follow Aaliyah on her Instagram and her YouTube. I'll have them both linked down below. And also be sure to let me know which items were your favorite, which items you want me to style, or if you guys want me to do like a lookbook or outfit video. And also be sure to let me know if you guys want us to do like a try on haul again, where we try on the same outfits but just in different sizes, so you guys can get a size reference and just see how the same item is made or fits in different sizes and on different body types, because I love watching those videos. And now that I have somebody to film me who's interested in YouTube as well and would definitely be interested in doing that with me, I would definitely love to create that for you guys. So again, be sure to stay connected with me a little bit more and follow me over on Instagram. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up for more try-on hauls, and if you enjoy, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already to join the family. And if you want to help me out extra, then be sure to share this video right now with someone, a family or friend that you think would enjoy, and help them come and join the family and help me out a little bit more. I would really appreciate it. And if you made it to the end of the video, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Mwah! Bye guys.